Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will give an example on divergence of a vector point function. See, this is the statement of given problem. If f bar is equal to 3x square y minus z into I bar plus xz cube plus y power 4 whole into j bar minus 2x cube z square k bar. This is the given vector point function. Then we have to find gradient of divergent f bar. So first of all, we have to find out the divergent of the given vector point function f bar. Already we know that divergent of a vector point function is a scalar point function. So you can easily find out the gradient for a scalar point function. Okay. At the particular point 2, minus 1, 0. So write the given function. Given that f bar is equal to 3x square y minus z whole into I bar plus xz cube plus y power 4 whole into j bar minus 2x cube z square into k bar. And we can compare the given vector point function with the general form, which is f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar. You can say this one is okay. So automatically you will get what is f1 and what is f2 and what is f3. Okay. What is f1? Coefficient of I bar. First component 3x square y minus z. What is f2? xz cube plus y power 4. And what is f3? Coefficient of k bar. So in this way you have to write the components of the given vector point function f bar first, because we know that what is the divergent of bar. First of all, we have to find out the divergent of bar, which is dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. By using this formula, we can easily find out the value of divergent of bar. See, what is dou f1 by dou x? Partial differentiation of f1 with respect to x. So in this case, the second term z becomes constant, so its derivative with respect to x is 0, and the differentiation of x square with respect to x is only 2x. 2x into 3, 6. So 6xy. It would be 0 plus. Now we have to find out the partial differentiation of f2 with respect to y. In this case, only y terms are variables, remaining are all constants. So xz cube does not contain any y. That's why it is completely constant. Its partial derivative with respect to y is 0. So 0 plus derivative of y power 4, which is 4y cube. And dou f3 by dou z. Since f3 has negative, write negative sign, because minus into plus minus. Partial differentiation of f3 with respect to z is just write the derivative of z square, which is 2z. So 2 2s are 4. 4z x cube. In this way we can easily find out the value of divergent f bar, and you can say this is 5. Now we have to find out gradient of divergent f bar, but already I put the name 5 for divergent f bar. So replace divergent f bar by 5, grad 5. Write the definition of grad phi here, which is I bar into dou phi by dou x plus j bar into dou phi by dou y plus k bar into dou phi by dou z. Here this product is a scalar product. So I bar into what is dou phi by dou x? Partial differentiation of this phi with respect to x. So the first term is 6xy. So whose partial derivative with respect to x is 6y. And this is constant because it does not contain any x. So its derivative with respect to x is 0 minus derivative of x cube with respect to x is 3x square. So already 4 is there. So you will get 12x square z plus j bar into dou phi by dou y now. So partial derivative of 6xy with respect to y is 6x. Last term becomes completely constant because it does not contain y. So partial derivative of the last term with respect to y is 0. See the middle term. It has 4y cube, whose derivative with respect to y is 3 4s are 12, 12y square. and finally dou phi by dou z, k bar into first two terms does not contains any z, so their partial derivatives with respect to z is 0 and partial derivative of the last term is 4x cube into 1, so it would be minus 4x cube. Now replace the point 2 minus 1 0 in this one because we have to find out the gradient of divergent f bar at this particular point. At p 2 comma minus 1 comma 0, this is becomes, write the symbolic form, which is del of del dot f bar is equal to, replace x is equal to 2 and replace y is equal to minus 1 and replace z is equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to and y is minus 1, so I bar into minus 6 minus 0 because z is 0 plus j bar into 6 times of x, which is 6 times of 2, 12, plus y value is minus 1, since it has whole square it becomes 12 into minus 1 whole square, plus k bar into, what is x cube again, 2 cube, 2 cube is nothing but 8 fours are 32, so I will write here minus 32 k bar. In this way we can easily find out the gradient of divergent f bar at the given particular point. In the next video I will give some more examples. Thank you very much.